In this video, we will talk about how to say the Basotho greetings. Sesotho is a native language spoken in the country of Lesotho, which is an enclave of South Africa. Lesotho was once a British colony, but we gained independence in 1966, the 4th of October. So, I will pretend I'm speaking with somebody else, and I will signify this by the difference in pitch. I will demonstrate two examples of how to say hello in Sesotho. Dumela. Dumela. O phela jwang? Ke phela hantle wena. Or kgotso. Kgotso Victoria. O phela jwang? Ke phela hantle wena. Ke a phela.